Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is Shemodern Saturday, Christmas edition. Today I'm going to be doing this ombre design here with snowflakes on my nails. And my nails are ready. I have my base coat. Let me move this camera up a little bit. I have my base coat, Sinful. There we go. First in line. And I also have Oh Jessica by Broadway. It's a really beautiful blue. Let me show it to you. Really rich. One color, very opaque. I had the ombre on a sponge with Snowy White by Shemodern. And I ombre those on my nails. And we're going to put some snowflakes on. We have the sheet Snowflake Solid. I cut out the rest of it. I think that was it. They come in three separate sizes, or three different sizes. Small, medium, and large. And really love their products. Check them out, Shemodern.com. They have a sale going on until January 3rd. Check them out. I'm going to give a shout out to a couple people local for nails. Give her channel a shout out. She is a young lady out of, oh my goodness, North Carolina, I believe. She does some great videos. She does a lot of in-store videos. Walmart, Walgreens. Shows you some up-and-coming polishes, some ones that have been missed out by people and overlooked. Give her channel a look. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let's see, who else? I think Pumpkin's Nail Station has a giveaway going on right now. Check her channel out. Check out my friend Nails of Interest. She's got a great channel going. I could go on and on. Moon Baby Nails and AQ57. There's a lot of great channels out there and you should check them out. Back to what we're doing today. I have got 4 snowflakes, on my palette. If I can get them back up here. And I've got my little water bottle from Shemodern. I'm going to soak each one of these. Whoops. It doesn't take long. Ouch. You know, for each one of these, I think my bottle is empty. It doesn't take long for each one of these. Whoops. And I have my trusty tweezers off here to the side. It doesn't take long for each one of these to soak, and oh, sorry about that. Give each one of them a little squirt more, just to make sure they're saturated in water. This is a really cute design, I think. On each Saturday, I do a Shemodern Saturday with a different design, different decal, different polish. And I hope you check out my videos. If you are new here, please click subscribe and the bell next to it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you're one of my return viewers, thank you for being here with me. I greatly appreciate you watching, your support. Greatly appreciate it. Some of these are almost done. Let me see, I got my tissue. There. Let me move this so I can get it in frame here. Lay that on your nail where you would like it. Get your tissue, dab it down, get the water out of it. The excess water, you don't need more. I put 2 on this finger here. Dab the water out. Press down. And there we go with it. I think that looks really super cute. On top of that, I'm going to put my Pro FX Quick Drying Top Coat. Seal that in. I heard somebody say that if you don't use a water-based top coat that it ruins the designs, and that is only true if you're using the hollow. It takes the hollow out, a regular base or top coat does. So you might want to use a base coat or a water-based top coat with the hollow decal stickers. On the red snow socks, or the socks they're called, I did have bleeding with those decals with the Pro FX and my other top coats. So you might want to try the water-based top coat with those also so they don't bleed. And then I think you can top coat with your regular top coat. I have yet to try that out. So we're going to do another nail here. Dab the water out. Seal it down to your nail. Top coat it. Once down the middle, once down each side. Cap your edges. And I've got one snowflake left to do, and I'm going to put that on my middle finger. I think these are really super cute. This is in silver, not hollow, so I don't want anybody to think I'm ruining my decals. There we go. I cap the edges. I'm going to take my tissue and clean this up. This is my mixing canvas that I also got from Shemodern that I use for my decals and my ombre powders, any of my pigments that I have from them. And there's my Manny. Snowflakes. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give it a thumbs up, please. I ask that you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I think it's super cute. But everybody else may not. But, you know, I appreciate your comments down below regardless of what they are. But please, no mean ones because those will be deleted. Only positive vibes here. I like this. I really do. I think it is super, super cute. I think I'm going to wear this for a few days. Check out Shemodern. She has a channel here on YouTube. Also on Instagram, she_modern. Check out all her designs there. You can recreate or get ideas from them. Put your own spin on them. Somebody's text messaging me. Time to go. Have a blessed day. Thank you.